I'm just gonna leave this here so they can, them or the gardeners, whoever's doing the maintenance here, they can just keep piling up all the material over here. Yeah, so I'm not gonna wet it down because this is not ready to be an active compost pile yet. So I'm gonna wait till we accumulate enough material to fill it, and then I'm gonna basically jumpstart the composting process by wetting it down, trying to achieve somewhat of a good greens to browns ratio so that I can get a hot compost pile going. These bins are very easy to use, easy to move, and they're easy to achieve hot composting temperatures in, and all for about $30. I'll leave an Amazon link in the description. Thank you for watching.